Hello, magandang gabi, magandang umaga, magandang hapon sa lahat. Gerald Claudio here. Nagsistream ako right now sa aking personal profile na Gerald Claudio, and eventually you're gonna listen to this sa Spotify sa Pinoy MLM Tactics by Gerald Claudio, and also sa YouTube Pinoy MLM Tactics by Gerald Claudio. You're gonna listen to all of this video. So ang pag-uusapan natin dito, kung meron ka ng skill na to, if you have this one skill, you will win in network marketing. Mananalo ka sa network marketing. And I will explain this by telling you a story just that happened a few days ago. So, someone messaged me on my messenger and asking, ano daw ba yung mga services na meron ako? Am I coaching? Am I active in network marketing? What service do I offer sa mga network marketers? So, sabi ko sa kanya, meron akong one-on-one mentorship, and then meron din akong for group na training. So, sabi niya, cool. And this guy jumped into call with me a day after. Doon pa lang sa messenger, I could sense a little bit of arrogance. Masasense mo, you could sense arrogance a mile apart. A mile away, a mile away. So, the reason to that, because I feel like, I don't know. So this is what happened. So, we jumped into a call. We started to, I went to the call, and eventually nakapag-usap kami. So, he started by telling me his background, and he spoke for 15 minutes, if I'm mistaken, 10-15 minutes, talking about himself, talking about his business, how amazing his company is, how amazing the moment of his company, this Korean product from South Korea expanding globally, who will start to here in the Philippines and stuff like that. And he said, this is the best company, whatever and all. And I was listening. I was listening to him, and wow, cool. This is really nice. And he was spilling one concept of the other. This is it. There are other top earners from this country, Mexico, na lumipat sa company nila. And I was just listening to him. I was listening. And then he starts to ask me questions. And he said, which company are you? Sabi niya sa akin. And then what offer you have? And I've noticed when I started to speak, nung nagsisimula na akong magsalita, he kept on interrupting me along the way. He's like, no, our company is good and all. And he started to know my company. And sooner, yung spouse niya, dinala niya sa call. And eventually, nag-smirk yung spouse niya nung nalaman yung company ko, which is a little bit irritating for me. I was irritating. It's like, okay, it's just the same. I was like, what's the difference with your company? Like, I just want to say that. Anyway, no? So, to cut the long story short, the conversation was really, really uneasy for me. And the reason why it was uneasy, because I was talking to a guy who just speak and talk and talk and talk without any intention whatsoever to listen, to understand. I would completely understood kung bago ka sa network marketing at ganun ka makapag-usap sa mga tao. I completely understood that. Possible you need more experience. But this guy claimed that he has been in the industry for so long, and he is a medical doctor, and he says a lot of, he was lifting up himself, of course. I understand, possible he just wanted to recruit me, possible, but I'm not really impressed with that. I'm really sorry, Gusto ko lang sabihin that you start to insult the company that I belong. You don't even listen to what I'm saying, and you started to insult the system that I built. And you expect me to listen to you? So, anong gusto kong impart na mensahe sa inyo dito right now? This is the kind of message I wanted to impart to every network marketer out there. Your ability to listen to understand is a superpower in network marketing. Ulitin ko ang kakayahan mo na mabigyan ng pagkakataon ang kinakausap mo na makapagpahayag ng kanyang saloobin na ang iyong intensyon ay maunawaan ang kinakausap mo ay isang malaking advantage para sa'yo sa network marketing. So your ability to listen, to understand, is a superpower in network marketing. I ended our conversation saying, I know you are excited. Sabi ko sa kanya, and dun sa spouse niya. Sabi ko, I know you're excited and you have to be excited. Sabi niya, we'll be launching in Philippines, we'll be launching in this country, this is a skincare product or whatever and all these things. This is from Korea and all these things. We're gonna start in the Philippines, we're gonna start in Makati office, everything. And sabi ko sa kanya, hindi lang po kayo yung unang network marketer na nakausap ko na excited na mag-launch sa Pilipinas. So, I cut them. I ended our conversation and say, hindi lang, dapat excited kayo kasi bago kayo. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, hindi lang kayo, don't ever think that what you're saying is unique. Every single network marketing company who started in the Philippines will always have that grand vision to throw at you. And that's not wrong. Sabi ko, hindi mali yun. Ganun naman talaga. Pero don't ever think that there's something unique what you do and what your skill is. And the next day, binlock niya ako, siguro. of what I've said. Pero I hope you understand where I'm coming from. I hope naintindihan niyo yung ibig kong sabihin. Na may timing kung paano mo sasabihin ng mga bagay-bagay. And if you don't have the decorum or the, the discernment that you just speak and speak without giving the chance to your kinakausap mo na magsalita. Iniisip ko nga, nakikinig lang ako sa kanya, sabi ko, paano niyo papalaki organization ng ganitong ugali niya? Paano niyo papalaki organization ng ganito itong magsalita? Or possible, it is also possible because they are in US, they have been here, maybe siguro mataas na yung tingin niya sa sarili niya. And of all his achievements in life. But I really don't care what you're achieving in life is. It doesn't matter if you feel superior ka sa kinakausap mo. But the ability to listen para maunawaan mo yung kinakausap mo is a superpower. So itong kwento na to, paano ma-i-implement sa'yo na network marketer ka right now, nakikinig ka ngayon sa akin. If you're listening to me right now, if you're a network marketer, how are you gonna apply this to your business? Pag may prospect ka na kinakausap, and yung prospect mo may specific objection siya, the natural tendency of network marketers is to be defensive. Nakuha? Is to be defensive. What I learned in the course of my experience in network marketing for more than a decade is this. This is my experience. My experience says, you have to give the chance to people to feel like you're listening to them. Because the moment na pinaparamdam mo sa tao na nakikinig ka para maunawaan sila, they will lower your guard. And eventually, there's a possibility that you can sign up these people. Or least, mapabili mo ng product. So it's not more on the magaling ako. Alam mo yung ganun? May sports car ako. May mansion ako. Hindi yun eh. But rather, have I made the person feel like concerned ako sa kanya? Naparamdam ko ba sa tao na concerned ako sa kanya? Naparamdam ko ba sa tao na nakikinig ako sa kanya? Naparamdam ko ba sa tao na kinakausap ko na nauunawaan ko siya? Because it's really annoying to talk to people who just wanted to talk about themselves, talk how amazing they are, and never give a person the chance to listen. I'll tell you, kung may prospect ka na ganun, tatahimik lang yan pero hindi mo masasign up mo makakonvert yan. Worst case scenario, may inis pa sa'yo yan. Are you learning? Type yung learning ko, natututo kayo sinasabi ko. Ay, nakuha niyo ba yung sinasabi ko? Tama. And kaya, and some of you may say, anong sasabihin ko? Paano ko sasabihin? I have several modules sa pinoynetworko.org. You go there. If you haven't grabbed that course, kunin mo yung course na yan. pinoynetworko.org. pinoynetworko.org. That's the course where I share yung mga principles kung paano mo sasabihin yun. Okay? Ano ba yung mga dapat sabihin? I have modules to that. You can go there. Pero ang gusto kong sabihin lang is yung attitude towards your prospect. Lalo-lalo na kung one-on-one mo kinakausap yung prospect or in person. I understand that some of you are hitting your goals, running a target. Kailangan talaga, damihan mo talaga kausapin. Pero yung sasabihin mo na mapapasign na po siya because you make the person feel like superior ka. I don't agree with it. Kaya, Kaya kaya ito lang sabihin ko lang to, yung mga network marketers na ang tanging paraan para makapag-pay in, maglabas ng sports car, maglatag ng sports car sa kinakausap niya. Hindi naman ako against doon, pero kung ang paraan mo, ganun lang talaga ang paraan mo, paano mo gagawin yung network marketing business mo, I think medyo may mali doon. Kasi people might misinterpret na nagyayabang ka instead na makakatulong ka sa kanila. Lagi na natandaan at tinandaan ko itong principle na to. And ano yung principle na to? People will never care how much you know. People won't care how much you earn and how much you know unless they know how much you care. Ulitin ko. People will never care how much you know and how much you earn, how much you succeed in life unless they know how much you care. And I believe that's a very fundamental skill set to really get along with your team, even with your prospect. You do that, you're gonna make a lot of friends. You're gonna make a lot of connections. Kung wala ka pang connection ngayon, yun ang simulan mo sa part na yun. Na every time na may conversation ka, instead ikaw yung nagsasalita, ask more questions and make the person feel that you're heard, make the person feel that you are trying to understand them. Put yourself in that position, you will expand your network. And the problem lang tayo, mga network marketers, we don't have that skill set. We thought there's a magic, manipulative way to really bring people into your team. There's no. Wala. You can manipulate people by saying false expectations from them, pero ang isa sa mga skill na ako naiintindihan ko talaga, na na-learn ko, and sinasabi ko to because I learned this in a hard way. I learned this skill in a hard way. Okay? Is the skill of making people feel that they are heard and making people feel that they are understood. And I will tell you, they will lower their guard. Kaya meron tinuturo sa network marketing na one step backward, two steps forward. Bakit yung merong one step backward? One step backward, which means you make people feel that you understand them. You are on their side. Make the person feel that you are on their team. I am here for you. I am not your enemy. Pag naparamdam mo sa prospect na nasa side mo sila, okay? You are on their side. I'll tell you, there's a big chances that these people will sign up to you. Tama ba? Tama ba? Tama ba? Sinasabi ko, type nyo tama kung tama yung sinasabi ko. Right? And yan yung skill na kailangan natin. Yan yung skill na kailangan natin. Na naniniwala ako na kapag na-implement natin sa network marketing business natin to, mas mapapalago mo yung network marketing business mo. Tama. So, maraming skill set na kailangan mo to grow your network marketing business, lalo na ngayong taong ito and beyond. But I believe, etong classic principle na kapag umupo ka sa isang tao or gumawa ka ng content, even creating a content, malalaman ng tao kung sincere ka sa sinasabi mo or scripted ka lang. Malalaman ng tao yun. People would feel kung scripted lang yung sinasabi mo. They would feel that. They would feel if hindi siya sa puso sinasabi, if you didn't express it from your heart. Nakuha ba? And so next time na makapag-usap ka sa prospect, put this in your mind. Okay, I will make the prospect feel that I understand them. I will make sure that conscious ako, napaparamdam ko sa prospect na nakikinig ako sa kanila. Tama ba? Are you learning sa sinasabi ko? Are you learning sa sinasabi ko? So, try to implement that in every conversation na meron ka. Sa bawat pakikipag-usap mo sa isang tao, i-apply tong isang skill na to. Tama, the skill of making people feel that you're understood and making people feel that they are heard. I will tell you, you will double your sales, you will double your sign-ups. And yun yung in-implement ko. Sinasabi ko to guys because I learned a lot. I learned this in a hard way. Parang sinasabi like, natutunan ko to dahil before hindi naman talaga ako nakikinig. Wala akong pakialam. Gusto ko lang sales. Hindi pala ganun. You have to make people feel like you understood them and they're heard. One client at a time, one prospect at a time. Focus on one client today or focus on one client tomorrow. Make them feel that you're heard and make them feel they're understood. But I realize mo lang, oh wow, really amazing. Tama. So, yun na naman for me, guys. Again, if you're listening to me right now and you say, oh, Chara, I really wanted to grow my network marketing business and all, go to pinoynetworker.org. Click mo dyan somewhere sa may comments. Meron dyan and din dito sa taas. And gusto ko lang i-announce to that by October, I will be launching one of the biggest webinars ever that I'm gonna create. And we're gonna focus more on paano mo ma-dominate yung network marketing business mo in the next months, in the next 12 months, using I don't want to say it, but it's really something that pinaghahandaan ko right now. I'm preparing everything that I wanted to learn, I wanted to teach you. This is really exciting, I'll tell you. So, type mo dyan webinar if you would be interested to that. That would be one of the biggest na gagawin ko. That's really exciting. Yun na naman for me, guys. God bless everybody. You guys are all amazing. Bye-bye.